case forged in a plasma reactor at a mind-numbing 20,000 degrees Celsius for 3 hours is bombarded with hydrogen, methane, and argon. The result is a chemical transformation from zirconium oxide to zirconium carbide, a tribute to inspired science, unique technology, and the design legacy of a great brand. The sandblasted platinum dial is another marvel. This treatment recalls the unique iridescence of the lunar dust, whose muted shades so enchanted the Apollo 8 crew nearly half a century ago. The Omega Speedmaster Gray Side of the Moon is a tribute to their pioneering spirit.
Seamaster Planet Ocean Video Manual. Positioned on the side of the watch is the crown, which is used for setting the time and adjusting the time zone and the date. In its normal wearing position, the crown ensures the watch is fully water resistant. It has to be unscrewed before the time can be set. Although the watch is self-winding, when the crown is in this position, it can be wound forward for extra power. To set the time, pull the crown out 2 clicks to its furthest position. The seconds hand will stop. Turn the crown forward or backward to move the hour and minute hands to the desired time.
As inspiration. Until now, the industry's benchmark for excellence has been set by COSC, the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute. Using this as a starting point, Omega has reached new standards of precision, doubling their certification with METIS, the Swiss Federal Institute of Metrology. 8 intensive tests are carried out over 10 days. First the movement, then the final watch is placed within one of the biggest permanent magnets on Earth, proving its function under magnetic fields of 15,000 Gauss. Or even stop the function of every mechanical timepiece. Until now. Omega's new master coaxial calibers are resistant to magnetic fields greater than 15,000 Gauss. Omega has introduced its master coaxial calibers in its men's and women's watch collections. Omega has solved another one of watchmaking's most perplexing problems. Omega Master Coaxial, guided by our...
Thanks for watching. Product buying link was given in the description, and for more videos please like, comment and share with your friends and press the bell icon button for more videos.